Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you if you can use the same wallet on two different devices on an example of the LEDGER Nano X. So yes, of course you can do it. The hardware wallets work based on a seed phrase or recovery phrase, whatever you want to call it. And if you enter it on a like when you set up your device, you can either generate a new one or recover from an existing one. And if you generate a new one, then you also enter the new one on a different device, then they both will work on the same assets. So that's pretty great, and that's also why it's so important not to share your recovery phrase with anyone, because it'll mean basically that that person will have access to all your assets. And let's maybe see how to do it. So first I'm gonna use a different device, a different wallet that I have right here, to generate a new passphrase. So here I can add an account because this is how this device works, and I'm gonna create the account. Now let's set account name. And let's set a password for it. Of course, don't share your password with anyone, although I'm gonna delete that account shortly so I can show you the password and I can make it to something easy. If you're using passphrase, then of course on both devices the same passphrase has to be entered, but there is a video on passphrases on both the LEDGER Nano X as well as on the LEPAL Titan 2.0. Let's go to here, and now once I click on backup seed phrase, I will see the seed phrase and I will show you it only because I'm not transferring any money on the account with this seed phrase. So I can share it with you, but don't share your seed phrase with anyone, because it's just not secure. They will have access to all your money once you give them your seed phrase. So I'm gonna select these options here. This is how this device works basically. Now you should write it down on a piece of paper, but since I'm already recording it with a camera, I'm just gonna take a photo of it. Then let's go next, and now I'll need to verify it. And on this device, verifying is pretty simple. I just need to click in the correct order. So yes, let's do that. It's marriage, then it's quit, and then move, and then it's down, and I can verify it. Okay, now you can select coins here, whatever. And before I move on to using this device, I'm gonna quickly transfer some money on this one just to create like the account in the blockchain. So I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. Then I'm gonna move my phone here and I'm just gonna do a transfer, so I'll just get back to you shortly. Okay, now I have the money transferred. So if I go to the app of this wallet, I'll see that it can show me. You can see it has some assets, not too much, but it has something, right? And now I'm gonna set up the ledger, so I'll just need to go to the point where there's an option to restore. I restore using a recovery phrase. I'm gonna choose a pin, of course. Okay, let's approve it. Let's confirm it here. And once it's confirmed, I'll need to enter my recovery phrase. So yeah, I'll need to select the amount of words. Okay, and now I'll need to type those in, so I'll get back to you. Now once I have entered the last word from the recovery phrase, I'll need to wait a moment until it processes, and also the account that I have Solana on has a passphrase, so I'm gonna be adding a passphrase. If you want to learn more about passphrases, you can watch a video on our channel on it. And of course the videos are for different wallets, so you can just watch it for the LEDGER Nano X if you wish. And yeah, I'll get back to you shortly when I set up the passphrase as well. Okay, now I have all set, so what I should do, I'm gonna go back here and let's go to the Ledger Live app. And now I'm gonna go to my Ledger. Then I'll get to LEDGER Nano X. I'm gonna just make sure that I'm connected to it, although I'm pretty sure I am. Okay. Yeah, I'm connected, so let's go to wallet. And now I already have it, like have the asset connected. So maybe I'll just like remove it from the portfolio. Then let's delete it. And now if I click on add account in the app, you can go to use your Ledger device, then select asset, and I'm selecting Solana, then selecting my Nano X. So I'll put my phone in here. By the way, I don't have the Solana app here, so I'll need to wait until it installs it. But once it's done, it should be all good to go. Okay, I have the Solana app now. And let's approve opening Solana app. Now it's ready. Which means that it'll start checking for existing accounts on the blockchain. And it should find one if I've entered everything correctly into the device. Because on my other device, the same recovery phrase is entered and the same passphrase is entered as well. So we'll see that here. And yes, you can see they have found one account, and also that I can create a new one if I want, but I'm gonna be using this one. You can see it has the same amount of money that that other one had, and yes, this is the account. So it can be used simultaneously on two devices, and either of the devices, depending on your preference, can be used to sign payments, to receive payments, as well as just have the other device for backup. You can have it in a bank safe or in another country. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.